Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change Roblox profile picture 2025. Open Roblox. There, click on the option avatar. You can choose one of the available options. You will go to the Customize tab. Here, click on your profile avatar. Now select one of the available designs. When you do so, click Next. In this window, you can adjust the zoom and rotation of your avatar. You will see the preview and then click Next. Finally, click Save. You will go to the Roblox homepage and you can see the change in your profile picture. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.